everyone, my name is Kate, Branding Manager of the BKSBEX exchange. It is a pleasure to meet you again. Is everything going well with your work and life these days? Do you have any confusion using our services? In order to provide a better service experience this week, based on user feedback provided by our customer service colleagues, I will pick some and answer them here all together. From the list of user consultation, it was found that one of the most concern of users recently was about the situation in our mining farm. The mining farm has occasionally operation suspension recently, which users are very concerned about it. The main reason is, in order to ensure the safe and normal operation of the mine and extending the service life of the mining machines, the mining farm will carry out large-scale maintenance at the end of each year. During this time, the professional mine operating and maintenance personnel will troubleshoot and maintain power supply, mining equipment, etc., replace those parts that may cause failures, eliminate potential safety hazards. Therefore, there might be temporary operation suspension at the mining farm recently. Of course, once the year maintenance is finished, we will resume normal mine operation at the first time to ensure user income. I think everyone is very worried about the next question. Our customer service colleagues have informed us that many users have recently asked about the BKS token price. First of all, as a digital asset, it is also a commodity in itself, with commodity characteristics influenced by supply and demand. Its price rises and falls and determined by users' spontaneous matching transactions, and the platform does not intervene. In other words, when there is bad news about digital assets in the market, the demand will decrease. The market supply will exceed the market demand, which will cause the currency price to fall. When the market has positive information about investment institutions' digital asset investments, government policies, and others, the market demand will exceed market supply and digital asset price will rise accordingly. For example, in the past time, BKS has been launched on the L-Bank trading platform, held a new product launch conference, or when the fuse mechanism was activated. The market is affected by this good news. The demand of BKS increased. The price of BKS has risen. Then, according to the current market conditions of the digital asset market, the market turned bearish. The recent Bitcoin price decline has also triggered most of the mainstream coins in the market to fall. BKS is currently trading with several trading pairs, including mainstream crypto assets such as BTC and ETH and others, whose prices are currently falling, which has also affected BKS price fluctuations to some extent. Besides, the number of real-time market transactions has dropped with the overall market situation, which will also affect the BKS price to a certain extent. In addition to the above 2 points affected by the operation of the Barkis public chain system, which take BKS as a core token, the uncertainty before the miners determine the effective transactions rules may cause the price of BKS to drop temporarily. This kind of temporary decline might as well seen as a good time to enter the BKS market. Of course, there are many complex factors that affect BKS price dynamics. Everyone can observe market changes and have a deeper understanding of the current price trends. Alright, today we spoke to you up to this point. If you want to know the latest BKS news, please scan the QR code on the screen to join the BKSBEX official Telegram community. I wish you all a happy weekend. See you next time.